Hello, guys. Welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a double truncated bar chart in GraphPad Prism software. Okay, this is a data set for the creating the double truncated bar chart in the GraphPad Prisms. So the six category the data. The first one for the hardness, turbidity, alkalinity, temperature, dissolved oxygen, and pH three type of category because on hardness highest range 5000s and the turbidity alkalinity is 350 to 240 that range, and the last one for the temperature dissolved oxygen and pH range for the 6.9 to 30. Okay, this data set created for the tourniquet bar chart with the standard deviation in the single graph. So this data set copy paste to the GraphPad Prism software. So the copy the data, select the whole the data and copy, open the GraphPad Prism software. Okay, the first one selected for the column options, the data table for the enter or input the data into the new table. So the options selected for the first one, enter the replicated value stock into the columns. So then click for the create button. Okay, now the workspace ready. The select for the group A title column and paste the data. Right click, paste data. So then click for the create a new graph for exiting data options. Okay, open the new tab. Okay, the select for the kind of the graph is a column. So select the column options and select for the mean bar, medium and standard error option. Choose for the column bar graph and the plot type for the mean with the standard deviation. So then click the OK button. Now the created for the bar graph with standard deviations. So the XSS value I adjust. The length of XSS change to the 9 centimeter. Select the XSS value and drag to the 9 centimeter. So the increase for the graph size large. Okay, the delta title. Okay, now the view on the data for the bar graph, the highest range only the visible and the alkalinity and turbidity is only the minimum small bar, and the temperature dissolved oxygen and pH the data no view for the bar graph. So the created for the double tourniquet bar chart in the GraphPad Prism software. So the select for the format axis options. Okay, and go to the left axis, y axis, and gap and direction select the options. Okay, the select for the three segment options. Three segment option, the second one. So then click the apply button. Now the created for the two segment and two gap and three segment. The first one for the range 0 to 500, 0.2000 and 2000 to 4000, 4000 to 6000. So the customized for the y-axis value. So the select for the segment options for the bottom. Okay, the bottom for the minimum 0 to 30. So then apply. Okay, the first one for the categories choose for the 0 to 30. So the second one select the options, segment the center options. Okay, then 31.2, the highest range is 250. So the select for the 300, maximum 300. Okay, then apply 300, 350. Okay, then apply the 350. Okay, then 400, range for 400. One error bar capsule, so then apply the 4. Okay, then 400. Okay, the next one for the third category, select for the segment and top options. So the 4000 to 6500. Then apply. Okay, then segment range for the 1000. apply, or 500, range for 600, change to 600. Okay. Okay, then plane frame created. So the frame and origin options, the plane frame, then apply. Okay, the plane frame created. So the next one, change to the color for the bar graph. So the select for the format graph options. Okay, the first one for the hardness selected for bar, then color change to the orange and border with 1 and border color is a black. Then error bar also the black with 1 thickness of the border 1. Okay, apply. The next one for the click the show the legend options. Okay, the next one for the change to the turbidity, change to the color, turbidity color change, and then border with 1 and also the same error bar options 1. Okay, the next one for the click the show legend options. So the next one for the alkalinity, change to the color green, border with 1 and also the change 1. So the legend option, then apply. Okay, then fourth one for the temperature. So the change to temperature, color is red, then border 1 and also the error options border the 1. Okay, then next one show the legend options, click. Then fifth one for the dissolved oxygen. So the select for the blue color, border option 1. Okay, the last one for the pH, change to the color, so the legend options. Okay, then range selected, XHS options, kind no, the locations no, the track decline also, so the none, then apply. Okay, then move for the legend options, hardness, turbidity, alkalinity, and also change to the temperature. Okay, the last one for the dissolved oxygen missing. Dissolved oxygen, show the legend option. Okay, move to the move. Next one for the dissolved oxygen and pH. Okay, this is for the water parameter. And L for the y-axis. Select the whole the graph and change to the font, time Roman and size 12. Okay, now the add to the value for the bar graph. So the select for the format graph options, go to the last one options, change to the format horizontal and auto 2, then apply. Then change to the font options, unclick for the automatical font option, choose the font options, select to the font time Roman. Okay, then click OK. font is 10. Okay, then change to the cell for the format graph options. YXS top layer 6500, because for the one value missing, so the change to the 6500. Minimum 5000 start. Okay, this is for the double tourniqueted bar chart with the standard deviation in GraphPad Prism software. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel, and support to me, join to our channel membership. If you any doubt on this graph, please leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video.